हाय फ्रेंड्स, आइए हम जानते हैं कि सेक्शन 74A सीबी सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस एंड कस्टम्स ने नोटिफाई किया है कि जो सेक्शन 74 है उसको नोटिफाई किया है और उसकी जो एप्लीकेबिलिटी है वो फ्रॉम 1 नवंबर 2024 से अप्लाई होगा। नाउ क्वेश्चन है कि सेक्शन 74A क्या है और उसको इंक्लूड किया गया है जीएसटी लॉ में, तो उसके पर्पस क्या है। जब हम सेक्शन 74A की बात करते हैं तो इट एम्स टू स्ट्रीमलाइन द प्रोसेस। जब स्ट्रीमलाइन प्रोसेस है फॉर इशू ऑफ डिमांड नोटिसेस, तो ये एक यूनिफॉर्मिटी लाती है। जब एक यूनिफॉर्मिटी लाती है फिर अक्रॉस द स्टेजेस ऑफ द केसेस इंक्लूडिंग द केसेस ऑफ द fraud cases or suppression of facts or full misstatements. So as per section 74A, it's additions and has been notified by the CBIC, or as per section 74A, it mandates to issue of the demand notices. Not only the demand notices for any regions for non-payment of taxes or short payment of taxes or erroneous refund claimed or utilization of input tax credit wrongly availed. Okay, so like these situations to issue the notices. Now the proper officer must issue the demand notices within 42 months from the due date of the annual return or the erroneous refund claimed by the GST taxpayers, or may also issue the statements detailing the issues for additional periods. Now section 74 as a penalty, ये क्या आउटलाइन करता है? As per section 74A, it's a new insertion and it outlines the 10% of the tax due or 10,000. But ये किस केस में अप्लाई होगा? For those cases which does not involve the fraud cases or suppression of facts or willful misstatements other than, इस पर ये अप्लाई नहीं होगा। अगर ये जो सेक्शन 74A पेनाल्टी की बात करेगा उस केस में, जिस केस में फ्रॉड है या सपरेशन ऑफ फैक्ट्स है और विलफुल मिसस्टेटमेंट्स है, उस केस में ये इक्विवेलेंट टू द टैक्स ड्यू अमाउंट होंगे। नाउ एज पर सेक्शन 74, जीएसटी टैक्स पेयर्स हैव द or can pay the tax due amount along with the interest due amount within the specified period or time just to avoid the notice of the penalty. So under section 74A, when the tax and the interest amount is paid off, then it concludes the proceedings. When it concludes the proceedings, there is no question of issuing the penalty notices. So just to avoid it. And also as per section 74, so what will be the time period for all these things to have make payment? So the time period also been increased from 30 days to 60 days so that the taxpayers can pay or settle their tax dues. So now it's a clearly indication of the government to have the compliance as to within the specified period, giving the sufficient time period to settle their due amount, along with having the leniency of the GST taxpayers, along with the timely compliances. So section 4 is a very important insertion notification under the GST law, and it will definitely streamline the process of all the notices to be issued, be it related to the tax demand amount or short payment or erroneous refund or wrongly availed input tax credit utilization. All these things, it will come under the section 74A. To get more information related to the GST litigation or GST notice received or any queries related to the GST part, you can subscribe my channel to get more information related to the GST matters and other tax matters. Please like it, share it or subscribe it. Thank you.